everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity. Welcome to another Ruckus video. Today we're going to go ahead and do some modifications on the Ruckus. Something that I've been wanting to do also for a really long time. And obviously Lee over here, he's wanted me to do something about my handlebars on my bike forever, because apparently this is too wide for a Honda Ruckus, which in my defense, all my bikes are this wide, but then I rode his Ruckus, so it kind of feels good to kind of have your hands a little bit lower, and then also for aerodynamics, it could work better. So we'll see. I like it. Anyways, let's go ahead and take the handlebars off so that we can go ahead and install the new bars. But start with this piece. This is the part that connects to the actual stem of the bike. So this goes on the actual stem. Yeah, look how shiny it is.
It's a pretty piece.
Bunch of hardware. This is the these are the clips for the bars. The machining on this is amazing. Look how shiny it is. It's almost polished. Then the centerpiece, which is also entombed in saran wrap. Alright, after the entombing, look how it gleams. This is where the Trailtech will go. Careful, you're washing out the view. But the coolest part ever is the RuckCity Customs laser etched on the front.
Hell yeah.
Woot woot! Oh, these are solid. Okay, so these are the handles. But look, it's a solid piece. And then on the other side, it's hollowed out. My God. So you could put bar end mirrors or anything you want, but it is solid. So, yay for that piece. Look at that. Alright, well, these are all the parts. Let's go ahead and put bar end mirrors here. Oh, are these bar end mirrors?
Yes,
Look, you can see me. So we can go ahead and look cooler and see if it rides better than my previous super bar setup that Lee hates so much. All right, here we go.
I'm a crocodile. crocodile. I'm a crocodile, fucking crazy crocodile with this.
So here is the final product. Look at that. It's very aggressive. But the cool thing that we discovered after sitting on this for a little while is that now my bars are far enough back where I can actually use my front pegs comfortably and use my heels to stop. So yeah. Notes, you don't have to push this all the way through. You can actually go ahead and find a right length for you, get a piece of string or cut a piece of a zip tie to this one size, and then you can use it to measure on both sides to kind of get how you want that to look. I started to put the stem connector on, and then I was going to build the whole thing, but it's probably better that you build the whole thing on the stem and then you put the handlebars on, because there's 2 screws underneath here that go here, and trying to tighten those underneath here would be difficult. Then when you're putting the Trailtech in, you have to make sure, I don't have all my stuff hooked up back here, but you have to split the wire. There's 4 wires, you have to split them in half and put them through the 2 different holes on each side. But look at that. I can't wait to actually ride on it, but unfortunately right now, this is what it looks like outside right now. So, can't exactly do any riding right now. Oh well. So, if you actually want these bars, here is how you get them.
RuckCity Customs, we got the bars for you. And I'm not talking about Xanax.
How do we get a hold of you?
RuckCity.com.
All right, you heard it from Lee. If you want the RuckCity Trailtech bars, go to RuckCity.com. If you have any questions, comments, or anything that you'd like to know about these bikes, go ahead and leave a comment below. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like, I have to keep reminding everybody of that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see everybody in the next video.